Hi there, students. Pathos. Okay, pathos is a noun. I think at its most simple level, pathos is just a feeling of sympathy or pity for somebody or for a situation. But very often pathos is something that evokes this feeling. So it's the power of a situation or a piece of writing or an actor to cause feelings of sadness because people feel sympathy. So a good actor ought to be able to convey pathos in his performance. Yeah, he should make us feel pathos, but it shouldn't become sentimental. Okay, so pathos, the quality of something that makes us feel sadness or sympathy. The situation evoked a lot of pathos in the people watching. Okay, so pathos, the feeling. When we see pictures of starving people or horrendous situations, we feel pathos. A good piece of art or a good piece of comedy should have pathos to it as well. So to make us feel this emotion of poor thing, what a horrible situation. Yeah, he felt a stab of pathos as he said no and refused the offer. Okay, so pathos, a quality that arouses emotions, poignancy. The film captured the pathos of the situation, the pathos of how hopeless the situation was. Made people very uneasy. Yeah, the the pathos at the end of the film made people cry. Okay, so pathos, the quality which touches or excites feelings or passions, especially emotions such as pity or sorrow. In rhetoric, when giving speeches, a writer or a speaker can use pathos to try to persuade the audience through appeals using strong emotions such as pity. Yeah, or in literature, an author's trying to make people feel pity or sympathy or sorrow for a character. Okay, so that is the idea of pathos. How formal is this? I think I would give it 6.5, 7 in formality. I think in an informal conversation I might say something that arouses sympathy, something that makes us sad, that causes sorrow. So I would use it in something semi-formal or something very formal. Yeah, and then as to origin, this goes right back to ancient Greek, pathos meaning suffering, and I think pathos was definitely an element in Greek plays, for example Aristophanes. So pathos, a feeling of sadness, of pity, of sorrow. You feel sad for somebody because of their situation. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pathos.